Okay, so in the previous video, I had kind of messed up the short sitting coughing. I probably messed up other things, but I specifically know I messed up that one. I had Salam Sloth with his hands behind his head in short sitting. They're really supposed to be down here in the Heimlich position, okay? So again, breathing in, head back, always helps. And with the cough, have the patient do kind of the Heimlich on themselves, okay? So, like so, okay? But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video and hope you have a good day. Bye-bye.